This is the world of company secretaries. On this channel, you can watch interviews with company secretaries across the world. Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon. Ma'am, what are the kind of trends which you see for the future of the CS profession? For someone who's been around for more than 2 decades and seeing the recent churn in the laws and how things are shaping up in the corporate world, what are the future trends that you see?
As I said, I've worked in the era of writing the minutes in the minutes book and
Yeah, pen
not
and
having to
paper.
make even a single mistake. And that is when I was a trainee, I was asked to write the minutes of a certain board meeting, and I was being reminded that I'm not supposed to make any mistake because there can't be any corrections in the
Minutes.
board minutes. And then now, it is all electronic and it is all technology driven. So I think you need to be skilled in technology. I'm right now talking to the students. You need to be upgrading yourself in technology, not just the technology, of course. You definitely know that you need to be upgrading your skills as a professional. Read a lot of journals. You have a lot of information available on the CS portal and the MCA portal, and make yourself conversant with all the circulars and notifications, the rules. The world is so dynamic now, and there's so many amendments. Even today, I think we are Alok, you're interviewing me on budget day. I saw the finance minister talk about more governance and less government. Truly, she's laying
Yes.
emphasis on professionals like us. I have actually picked up, there were 10 words in her budget speech today. I saw at least, 10 times the word governance being referred to in the finance minister's speech, which means there is a lot of scope for professionals like us. We need to be the flag bearers of, the governance in the country. And I think very recently, in his interview or in his interactions with the CS Institute, Prime Minister Modi also laid down his expectations from, esteemed institutes such as ours. So I guess, uh, as the finance minister said, more governance and less government. I think we should go by that and keep ourselves abreast and do the best. How the corporates in the country can contribute to the betterment of the economy. And we know today, we are proud to be the fifth major economy in the world. And of course, as professionals, we definitely have a role to play, a very major role to play in the development of this country, Ashish.
Okay. I'm sure the students will definitely understand that, and the scope is really huge. It's all about how well you're prepared and how confident you are. The scope is really very huge.